Using the formula for a geometric series. Formula for the sum of the first n terms of a geometric series. The geometric series is the sum of the terms in a geometric sequence. The formula for the sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence is represented by the following. Capital S with a subscript n, which is equal to the first term times 1 minus the common ratio raised to the power of 10 over 1 minus the common ratio, where the common ratio cannot equal 1. Now, given a geometric series, we want to be able to find the sum of the first n terms. First thing we do is identify the first term, the common ratio, and n. And then we're going to substitute those values into the formula, and then we're going to simplify to find the sum. So for example 4, we want to find the first n terms of a geometric series. So we're going to use the formula to find the indicated partial sum of geometric series. So we have S subscript 11 for the series 8 plus negative 4 plus 2. Well, if you look at this example, we can see that the 8 represents the first term of this series, and we can see that 11 is now represented for the value of n. Now we need to find the value of r by dividing the second term of the series by the first term to find the common ratio. Well, r is going to equal negative 4 over 8, which reduces to negative 1/2. And now that we have those particular numbers, we can now substitute the values for the first term, r and n, into the formula to simplify. So, to find the sum of the first 11 terms, we have the first term, which is 8, times parentheses 1 minus r, which is negative 1/2, raised to the 11th power, over 1 minus negative 1/2. And we get approximately 5.336. The next example, we can see that k is equal to 1 is the lower limit, the upper limit is 6, and the formula is 3 times 2 to the k power. Now, if we take a look at the value of 2, this is representing the common ratio. Now, in order to find the first term, we have to substitute the value of k into the formula, into the explicit formula. So the explicit formula is a subscript k, which is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of k. We're going to let k equal 1 to give us the first term, so it's 3 times 2 to the first power, which is equal to 2. Now, we can see from the given explicit formula that r is equal to 2, which is the common ratio, and the upper limit of summation is 6. So therefore, the total number of n is equal to 6. And now we can substitute those values for the first term, the common ratio, and n into the formula, and then simplify. So we have the sum of the first 6 terms is equal to the first term, which is 6, times 1 minus the common ratio 2 raised to the power of n, which is 6, over 1 minus 2, which gives us an amount of 378.